Guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another case in Jamaica, and these seem to be making the airwaves quite often, and I keep talking about them. I've been talking about them since 2018, and they seem to be getting worse. This is about another woman that was killed in Jamaica. Recently, there was a story that came out about a JDF officer or JCF officer, I don't quite remember, but I will also be talking about that one here. And it says, in what is being reported as another case of domestic violence, a woman was stabbed to death and her house set ablaze in Portland on Tuesday. The deceased woman have been identified as 50-year-old Maureen Johnson of Oliver Housing Scheme, Buff Bay, Portland. According to police reports, Johnson and her common-law husband had a dispute at their home about 10 p.m. and during the altercation, the man allegedly stabbed her several times before setting the house on fire and fleeing the scene. Johnson's charred remains were later found during cooling down operations after a unit from the Buff Bay Fire Station responded to the fire. Upon time of publication, the police said they were still searching for the woman's common-law husband for questioning. The incident comes after another alleged domestic killing last Saturday in which 65-year-old Pamela Manning was fatally stabbed, allegedly by her husband, during a dispute between the couple in the Cumberland community in Portmore, St. Catherine. Her husband, 62, retired police inspector Padden Manning, was charged on Tuesday for murder. Last month in Portland, Rohan Martin, an undertaker of Guys Hill, St. Catherine, allegedly killed his girlfriend, 29-year-old Latoya Hill, otherwise called Trish, during a dispute at their home in David Lane in the parish. Investigators believe her death was caused by blunt force trauma to the head. And quite frankly, all of the three cases have been older women, so I don't understand why men are killing older women now. It was predominantly more younger women, and I was saying it's because of our loose morals and how we are not sticking to what we know as women, and we want to do the same thing that the men are doing. But now it's older women, so older women are said to be the ones that are faithful, or said to be the ones that are faithful, or said to be the ones that are settled down and they're ready to take on real commitment. But as you can see, they're dying in domestic disputes. So I'd love to know what they're doing, if they're doing the same thing that the younger females are doing, which is having loose morals, loose principle, cheating, or any of that. I don't know what the case. I don't have any theories as to why older women are dying now in these domestic violence disputes. What are your thoughts? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And I'm sorry if you hear Kai making a whole bunch of noise and pulling this pump and doing all this extraness, but a girl got to work. A girl got to upload her videos, okay? I'll see you in the next one.